recyclable textile waste come from production, pre-consumer, and post-consumer waste. SC Grant focuses on converting this waste into yarns, fabric, and clothing.
My name is Jariyaporn. I'm the third generation of the company. My company named Saeng Charoen Grant, or we can call SC Grant. My grandparents started this business like 55 years ago, and then for my generation, the third generation, I start to do the fabric to add more value to our own raw material. You make one clothes, right, or one t-shirt, you have to have this. Firstly, you have to grow the cotton, and then the second, maybe you have to have the yarn factory or spinning mill. And when you produce the yarn, you also have the waste from the yarn factory, which is the fiber. And then when you weaving the fabric, you also have the salvage waste in the fabric as well. I brought those kind of waste and transform into fiber, new fabric, and new clothes again. I think the first one gonna be like to convince the customer in Thailand, because what I do here is quite new. So I have to assure that our material have been certified, is have the standard that every company around the world, the top company, has the same standard as us. Because my company, we working with the 3 generation, I have to align them in the same vision to let our company survive and grow like sustainable in long term. If say like the next 5 years, I think I will become like the top choice of the sustainable textile. And I think in the next 30 years, we will see a lot of industrial, they do the circular across sector. Maybe food waste gonna come to do circular with the textile industry. Yeah, we will see a lot happening in the next 30 years.
ค่ะที่ทำแพลตฟอร์มวิถีไทยขึ้นมาเพราะว่าเราเห็นว่าสินค้างานทำมือของไทยมีเรื่องราวที่น่าสนใจและคุณภาพไม่ได้ด้อยไปกว่าต่างประเทศเลยแต่กลับขายได้ราคาที่ไม่สูงมากเราจึงอยากเป็นหนึ่งช่องทางที่จะนำสินค้าไทยไปขายในต่างประเทศในราคาที่สูงขึ้นก็ทำให้ชีวิตความเป็นอยู่ของชาวบ้านดียิ่งขึ้นค่ะ
So what Philip's design philosophy has always been is to merge where we can traditional with what's really made for the future or now. You know what I mean? It's taking old knowledge. It's basically going to far. I mean, I think indigo is the first one, like being how we can make it sustainable. And sustainable isn't just like good to the earth, but can we as makers ourselves, designers, find a way to keep it sustained for another generation?
What people don't realize is that things get wasted even before you use it, because now we are in a new industry. Platforms are very powerful, so I have built a platform that collects the industrial waste, and the first industry we go to is textile.
We have fabric that is stuck inside the export garments, right? Normally, people don't get these fabrics anywhere. I have found that we're becoming the new sourcing. So we're building a network of sourcing from many factories and who have the pain point. And at the same time, we're building the network of production lines, networks of designers.
What you're doing affects the whole ecosystem. Right. That's where we found the idea of creating a fashion brand that is also sustainable. We wanted to make a handbag brand that is very fashion forward but uses very sustainable material. What adds value is design, because it's only made to order for our bags, but then we also have some bags that we produce specifically just for rental that we're trying to push now. So special bags that people would feel that, okay, I want to rent because I want to use this bag. It's the best idea of upcycling.